Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the online session organized by SkillVeda. SkillVeda is a go-to platform for fun, interactive learning. We offer expert-led courses and workshops to help you grow and succeed. Welcome to the Jolly Phonics class 5th. It is a fun way to learn reading and writing through sounds, blending, and storytelling. Let's extend a warm welcome to Ms. Debjani Das, our expert trainer with more than 30 years of experience. She will guide you through this learning journey. Welcome, Ms. Das, and welcome all the teachers.
Thank you so much. Till class 4, everything is clear. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So today we will start with a classwork. Okay? Because once you finish the classwork, 100% of the doubts will be cleared, and I'm there to clear it, and we will discuss each one of your paper. So do whatever, don't ask. If you cannot, leave it. If you can, do it. If it's wrong, doesn't matter, but you do it. Okay. So because unless and until you practice it, the doubts will not, you won't be knowing that where your doubts or where you are getting stuck. Okay. So today's classwork I have already shared with Jain ma'am. She's going to share it in.
Please check the group. I have sent
Yeah,
in the
share
group.
it. Yeah, share. Start within another 2 minutes from sharp from 11. Is it 11 now?
Yes,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is.
Yeah. So 11, just sharp, do it. Do it within 15 minutes. 1-5. That is 11:15. Please submit it. Or maximum, I can give you a grace of 5 minutes more. That is 11:20. Because the paper is a bit lengthy. No need to ask me anything. If you're not getting it, leave it like that.
You treat
But do
it
it
as a
very
test,
nice.
class test. You people
Yeah,
treat it as a
just
class test.
treat it as a class test. Okay.
Ma'am, we can write it in our book and send the pictures, right?
That is only you have to do it. Do it in a book nicely with the red ink. Keep the red ink pen ready. Do it. Send it to and very nicely with your name written on it. Yeah.
These things will add in your grades on the certificate actually.
Yes. Today it
The
is going
assignment
to
which you are
add
doing, the artwork which you are sending.
the total participations, videos on or not. Padma ma'am, video is off. Debulina ma'am has not joined. I'm very much here. I'm just switching on the video, but I'm very much here. If you have any doubt, you can ask your. But today, don't ask. That's my point. Is.
Vidya ji, I have sent you the assignment in on your WhatsApp.
Yes, yes, I'm checking it. I'm there only. Here only. Huh?
I'm talking to Vidya ji. Vidya ji has joined late
Oh,
now.
okay, 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 okay.
Yes, yes. Padma ji, if you can switch on your video, same Vidya ji.
There is some network issues also happening, and my laptop is
It's
also.
okay, fine. No, it's okay.
I can hear you now only, ma'am. From that time,
Okay.
I'm struggling to hear what you were telling.
Now
I
you know
couldn't
now what you have to do exactly. The
No, ma'am.
assignment.
If you can guide me, I can.
The assignment which I sent, I sent in the group now.
Skill 4, is it? Skill 4, which is, I can see it.
Yeah, that
But-
you have to do. That you have to do. Which I sent you in the group, DAB group now. You have to finish that. Okay.
That is your classwork today.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay. Okay.
बकेट में
Ma'am,
Yes.
how do we separate the sounds, ma'am, in the worksheet? I think I missed out that yesterday's class. I was on duty, so I couldn't join. What is meant by separate the sounds in the
Okay.
instructions?
Just leave it like that. We will all discuss after the paper once it's done. Okay. So whatever you can, you do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Which one you cannot, just leave it like that. We will discuss it.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was till late evening yesterday, so I could not even follow up. Okay, ma'am. Huh?
Which one you are saying?
No, till late evening I was on duty yesterday, so I could not even follow up.
No, there is no separate sentence in this paper today. Separate the words. Words and separate the sounds. Separate the sounds means put the sound buttons.
That's all. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Time is, I think, more or less.
बंद डोर बंद कर हर्ष हर्ष
Malika ji,
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
want to recheck your, please recheck once. Okay.
Okay, I have already sent, no, ma'am?
Not, you are not audible, please.
Oh, sorry. I I am audible, ma'am. I have unmuted my.
If Malika ji, you are not audible. You are not, check your network settings also.
No, she's
Send me
audible.
on chat box
Genji.
or DM me if you can DM
Genji,
me.
she is audible.
I'm able to hear you, ma'am.
I can't hear you, Malika ji.
But I can hear her.
Yes,
Yeah.
I can hear everyone. I can hear you, ma'am.
Yeah, Malika ji, I was saying just check your paper which you have sent. Just recheck
Okay.
your. You can send it twice. Second time also.
Okay.
Just recheck it. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. I'll
Yeah.
do that. Thank you.
Yeah. Hmm. Mm-mm. Devjani ji, if you can give little bit of instructions,
Yeah, Mallika ji.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
submit.
from the first page itself, I'll
Okay.
just suggest you
Okay.
the first page, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Night.
I mean, don't explain the things. Just give overall
No,
instruction.
little bit. One, because she's not getting it.
Okay.
Mm. So, IGH is a trigraph.
Yes.
So, you have to underline IGH together.
Okay. That I had doubt, ma'am. Like while doing it, I had doubt.
Yes.
Yeah.
In splash. Shh. Right?
Yes.
You can
In-
resend again. Not a problem, Malika ji. We are
Yes.
giving you.
Yes,
in
ma'am.
church. In church. Uh.
Okay. Thanks,
Same
ma'am.
with bright, sheet.
Okay.
Okay. Pot,
Test.
chip, shell. Check all.
You have to be honest.
Yes, very honest.
Please write your name on the sheet. It will be very difficult for us to see, know the exact whose paper is this.
Ma'am, first sheet I have mentioned all the sheets. Should I be?
Vijaya ji, you are Vijaya ji, na? No, I have mentioned your name on the second page. It's better if you send your name on
All the
all
names,
pages.
like Shehnaz ji has mentioned the name in every page.
Yeah.
Okay. Once again, I'll share
No,
them.
it's okay. For Vijay ji, I have mentioned. Not a problem. I have mentioned.
Yeah, ma'am.
Shehnaz ji, I'll share your paper. I'll ask Twinkle ji to reshare your paper in the group. Fantastic. A big clap for her.
Shehnaz ji paper is in the group itself.
Ha, it's really, really, really appreciable.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Vijaya ma'am is also correct. But
Thank
only
you,
one
ma'am.
thing you have missed out, the number of sound that you're hearing.
Oh, last question. Which one, ma'am?
Even in the first one also.
Acha, we need to mention sound. Once again, shall I share?
No need. It's perfectly all right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now, whose is this?
Payal ji. Payal ji. I have mentioned the name.
Oh, no, the name is there.
Yeah.
Perfect. A perfect 50 out of 50. My goodness, most of you have done so well.
Payal ji is there, na? Yeah. She's there.
Yes. Till now, all good.
Shweta ji, Aparna ji, Yogita ji, and
Sending,
Vidya
ma'am,
ji
1
and
minute.
Padma ji. Padma ji and Vidya ji have started late, so we can give
We
them
give
5
them
minutes.
some half.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Today, Debulina ma'am is not there.
Yeah, she is in hospital. She's unwell, so she has gone to hospital.
Okay.
Ma'am, should I do it in a fresh page or in the same page? Shall I correct it and send you?
I think do it in a fresh way because there are multiple
Sure.
mistakes are there. We'll give you a grace time of 10
Sure.
minutes.
No, ma'am, no need that. Just
No, it's okay.
copy. That's all.
Just 2 minutes, I'm coming back.
Vijaya ji, if you want to mention the number of sound buttons, you can mention and resend me.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do it now.
Okay. That time is almost over for everyone. Please submit your assignments.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, sound buttons are for first question and last question, right?
No, some buttons are for all.
For all. Okay.
For only there is one segment where you have to identify the blends. Who is this remaining section? I'm not sure.
Shri Vidya Nati.
Which one is hers?
The last one, the last 2 pages which I sent you.
Okay.
Malika ji have resent the paper. I have sent you again. Okay. Check. Shweta.
Ma'am, I also sent it.
Yeah. Yogita ji, Aparna ji, and Padma ji. Yes.
Sending, ma'am. 1 minute. Just a
Yeah.
minute.
Okay.
I've completed. I will send.
Devjani ji, till now you can.
Just a second, 1 minute.
Yeah,
Let me
sir.
check this. I'm just going through the paper.
Okay, fine.
So all submitted? I think
Yeah,
all.
but just Padma
Yes,
ji is
ma'am.
submitting. She is clicking the
ठीक है,
pictures.
ठीक है, it's
Yeah.
okay, fine. So mostly all of you have understood. Malika ma'am, you have still some doubts.
Yeah. I made quadrigraph.
Even
I made one mistake, ma'am. I realized actually.
no,
Oh,
there are again
okay.
lot of
Okay.
mistakes. I'll just correct with
Sure.
them. Don't worry.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be telling you the answer. You check it over there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I think that will be easier for you.
Yes.
So let me open the paper. Yeah. So the first section, section A. So now all of you can start checking it. Okay. So the first section, that was what it was asked to put the sound button. Okay. So sound button. Now the first word is frog. How many sound buttons will be there?
3, 4.
4.
4.
4, ma'am.
4.
G.
Frog.
Padma ji, please send your paper. I am
I'm
waiting.
sending, ma'am.
The next
Okay.
one is train. Padma ji,
4.
you send it, then I can only start doing it.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent, ma'am. I
Okay,
have sent.
okay.
Thank you
So
so
now
much, ma'am, for cooperating.
what you can do, start checking, self-checking. Okay. So now train. Train is how many sounds you can hear?
4.
Four.
Four.
T, A, train. So A and I is a digraph.
Diagram.
So you have to underline and then put a sound button. Then night.
3.
3.
3.
Yes.
3 sounds.
Here, don't include t. Right? It is night. I stands for IGH. It's a quadragraph. So there will be I, t, I, t, t. So IGH will be underlined together and then the sound button will come.
Okay.
So it is 3 sound. It has 3 sounds. Then splash. Splash.
5
Sp-
sound.
L, A, sh. Most of you have done not underlined SH. Malika ma'am,
Yes.
Even I
right?
also know.
Yes.
Even I have not done that.
Who? Padma ma'am.
Yeah.
Because SH is a diagram.
Diagraph. Yeah.
Right? Then
Got
comes
it.
queen.
3.
3. Yes. Because Q never comes alone. It is always accompanied by U.
Yeah.
QU is 1.
E is another.
Double E is a diagraph.
And
And
N.
then church.
4.
4.
Ch, R, U, R.
Oh, one this thing. Okay. We have to.
And ch.
So 3 will come. Yeah.
Will be 3.
Ma'am, can you please repeat church once again? Like
Ch.
Ch?
Ch is a diagraph.
Yes.
Then again,
Yeah.
R is diagram.
diagraph. Then ch.
It's again diagram.
Then bright.
4.
B,
4.
I, ch.
I-G.
B,
H.
B, B, I is IGH. I and then T. T, don't take T in IGH. Bright. Now, Malika ma'am, is it getting clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. While doing, I had little bit doubt, but still I did. Thank you
That
so
is
much,
the
ma'am, for
reason why
correcting.
I started the day with this.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
I
Thank you.
because
Now I'm getting clearer,
more-
ma'am.
yes. So more you practice, the more you get the things gets clear.
Yes.
Then comes ship.
3.
3.
4. 4.
No. Who said 4?
Ma'am.
3.
3, ma'am.
It will be sh.
Okay.
E.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Sure.
P. Double E is always a diagraph.
Diagraph.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Sh is a diagraph. So 2 and P.
Per.
String.
1.
4. 4, ma'am.
4.
4. 5.
T.
And it's 5.
E. Ing.
5.
NG is 1.
T.
The.
E. Ing.
5, ma'am.
It is 5. Aparna ma'am.
Okay, I need to be considered as a separate sound.
Yes, it is
Okay.
spring. E.
Yeah.
We are pronouncing it.
Ing.
But NG is a digraph.
Digraph. Okay.
Ah,
Ing, mm. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes.
got
3.
Then caught.
3, ma'am.
3
Three.
sound.
Yes. Ka,
Okay.
aw.
T.
So aw is AUGH.
UGH.
So it's a quadrograph. Ka, aw. Ka, aw. So now you have to identify the digraphs. The section B. Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It's very easy. Chip,
Ch.
Sure.
shell.
Sure. And
Double L.
double L also.
Yes.
L.
That's your floss rule. That is called the floss rule.
Yes.
For double L.
Yes. I taught you na double L, double S, double
Yes,
Z.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Z, jazz and all. Yeah.
Jazz,
Okay.
miss, tell,
Yes. Tell.
right?
Okay.
Then rain,
AI.
A.
AI.
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 feet,
E.
Double
E.
Double E.
goat,
OA.
O.
OA.
oh, goat,
Double O.
O.
Then spoon,
Double O.
Double O.
Double O.
Double O.
teeth.
E.
Double E.
Double E and TH.
TH.
Most of you have
One more
not
thing.
done that.
Yes,
You
yes,
missed out
ma'am.
with the TH. TH is also a digraph.
Digraph, yes.
Whether it is in the beginning or at the end, it is a
And-
digraph.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Chain,
CH.
AI.
AI.
book,
Double O.
Double
O.
thumb.
H.
Now, when we are saying thumb, plumb, we don't say b. It is thumb.
Silent.
Thumb. Plum. Okay. Dumb. Not dumb. Plumb.
Thumb.
Thumb. No. It's thumb, plum, dumb. So when D comes at the end of such words, it is always silent. Now identify the blends. So now here you have to differentiate between blends and the digraphs. Now clap,
PL.
Clear.
PL.
frog,
FR.
FR.
stamp,
P.
T.
ST.
ST.
ST,
MP also.
MP also,
MP
stamp, amp, stamp, mopper, we are pronouncing it together.
Yes.
Stamp, mp.
Ma'am.
Yes, Malika ma'am?
Ma'am, stamp. ST also, MP also. Together we
Yes,
can circle, ma'am.
ST also and MP also, because stamp,
Stamp.
you are pronouncing it together.
Okay.
It's the final consonants. blend.
Okay.
And so you have in stamp, you have final consonant blend and the initial consonant blend.
Okay. Thanks, ma'am.
ST.
Dress,
DR.
DR.
ER.
DR. That's it. Don't mistake with double S. Double S is a digraph.
Diagram.
It's not blend.
Okay. Diagram.
Black,
BL.
EL.
not CK.
CK is a digraph.
Don't mistake. Green,
GR.
ER.
swim.
SW.
SW.
Good. Plant,
PL
and NT.
PL and NT.
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 Yes. Plant. Clock,
CL.
CL.
trust.
TR.
ST.
TR and ST. Good. See now, Malika ma'am, is it getting clear?
Yes, ma'am. I thought only one blending we have to
No.
do. So that's
No.
the
If you can, in
confusion I
some
had.
words, there are two blends, like
Okay.
initial blends and the final blends.
So that's where I got confused. Only one blend I was focusing
No,
in
no.
a single word. Yeah, I
Okay.
got it clear
Now
now.
write the trigraph of night.
IGH.
IGH. Yes, it's H, not H. H.
H.
H.
H.
Yes. Light.
IGH.
Catch.
TCH.
TCH. Bridge.
DG.
Watch.
TCH.
Clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Vidya, ma'am, is it getting clear now? So that is a trigraph. When three sounds making one sound is the trigraph. Now let's come to quadragraph. 8.
IGH.
EIGH, not T.
Okay.
T is 8. 8. So EIGH pronounces as A. Daughter.
AUGH.
AUGH. Through.
OUGH.
Way.
EIGH.
EIGH. Straight.
AIGH.
Yes. So now you know what is a quadragraph is.
Yes.
So four sounds making one sound.
Yes.
So now how many sound button will be there in ship?
3.
3.
Yes. Bright.
4.
4.
Correct. Queen.
3.
3.
Yes. Catch.
4.
3.
3, ma'am. 3.
Why 4? Who said 4?
I thought that CA is different sounds.
Ka, a,
TCH is 1.
and TCH is 1.
Okay. Yes. So okay, for T. Okay.
TCH is your trigraph.
Yes, ma'am. Trigraph. I saw only
Malika
that
ma'am.
CH
Yes,
is
ma'am.
ch
Yes.
sound.
Yes.
TCH.
Yes, ma'am.
TCH. Yes. 1. Yes, ma'am.
Then through.
3.
1, 2, 3. So what is your quadragraph here in through?
OUGH.
OUGH is one sound.
Padma ji and Vidya ji, are you getting it? Any questions,
ma'am.
any doubt, please, you go ahead.
So I think today more or less whatever the confusion was, as it was a mixed bag, so moreover whatever the confusion was, I think it is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
So I will give you one assessment after the class today, same class,
Vidya
same
ji,
pattern.
एक मिनट
हाँ.
हाँ, ये पद्मा जी, ये पद्मा जी,
Ma'am,
you
for through THROUGH. OUGH is a quadragraph and th is one button, sound button.
Yes, that's your diagraph.
So three buttons are there. 3 sounds.
And oo.
Okay.
OUGH is pronounced as oo.
One sound. Okay.
So
Okay, ma'am.
oo.
So three sounds.
3. Through. Oo. Oo. Through.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So yes.
in the words
Yes.
bright and queen, could you just explain to me once more?
Bright. I. I is IGH. 3 sounds together making one sound, that is I. B and R is not digraph. They are blending words. So I and T separately.
So 4 sounds are there.
So there are 4 sounds.
4 sounds. Okay.
Ma'am.
And queen, Q never comes alone. Q is
So
always accompanied by U. Then only you can pronounce Q.
Okay.
Okay. So
Understood.
Q, U always together, one sound. Then double E, E,
Diagram.
digraph, one sound. That is two button. And
Is one sound.
one. So that is three.
Ma'am,
Yes.
splash. Can you please tell?
Splash. You tell me. Splash.
One sound, ma'am.
Why? You can hear sir and per both separately. So it is not one sound. It is a blend.
It's a blend.
L, a,
One sound, ma'am.
one.
Is one sound.
Yes. Sh is your digraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Sha is a digraph. Then p, l, a, sh.
Yes.
Splash.
Yes.
Spur is S and P. S, p, l, p, l, a. Splash.
One sound.
Four sounds.
That is four sounds
Four
total.
sounds.
Right.
Ma'am, 4 or 5, ma'am? 4, no?
Four.
P,
Okay.
l,
Okay.
a.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
5? It won't be 5 because S and H is making one sound.
Okay.
Yes. It's diagraph.
S and H is making one sound.
One sound. Okay.
So that means s, p, l, a, sh. Ha, it's a 5 sound.
5
Splash.
sounds.
5. P,
Understood.
l, a, sh.
yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Is it? Yes.
ma'am, two more doubts. Just
Yeah, Vidya ji, please go ahead.
this
Yeah.
word catch, C-A-T-C-H. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Ka, a, ka. And then
TCH, the trigraph, ma'am? Yeah, I
T,
just,
C, H is your trigraph.
okay. So that will
So
not come.
K, A,
Hmm.
T, C, H.
This is
Catch.
trigraph. Okay, ma'am. Then in the previous one, in thumb, T-H-U-M-B, the thumb.
Yes. Then
So,
TH is your digraph.
Diagram.
Tha, A,
yeah.
mm.
So what will MB be?
So have you all put a button under B?
That's what I wanted to know.
No, that was only section B. Underline the diagram of each words you have given. So
Acha, suppose if I give you thumb as a
Thumb.
word to identify the sound buttons, will you put a sound button under B?
Ma'am, I could not hear. What
MB
word is
we should underline together and put a dot, ma'am.
If I give you the words, suppose I give you the word. So I'll teach you all the tricks and tips. Suppose this is the word, okay? Thumb. Now I have asked you to identify the sound buttons. So we all know this is the digraph.
Yes.
One button.
One,
Three button, ma'am.
A.
One button.
Will I put a button over here?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Because it's a sign.
B we will not
No.
put the button. B is silent.
B is
It's wrong. because we don't pronounce B. It is thumb.
So,
Num.
Okay.
Okay.
B seat. Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, the same thing applies for plumber, right? Plumber.
Plumber is also, plumber is Plumber. Right? Here B will go silent.
So plumber, isn't
It
it?
will be plumber.
Plumber.
so we don't put the button under B here as well.
No,
Okay.
no. Here also it will be
Plumber. No, ma'am? Then ER. Or
One button over there.
ma'am, for number, ma'am?
number, you are pronouncing B.
Okay.
It is number. It is not number,
Number, yes.
right?
Yes.
It is not number, it is number.
Number.
Number is again a Latin word. From numer it has come.
Numerals.
So it is not a British origin English.
Okay.
So the same rule, why doesn't apply for catch, ma'am? For catch, T can be considered as silent, right? Not like that.
Why? Where is silent catch? TCH. It is together is pronounced as ch. Why are you getting confused with catch? CATCH. Right? Now k, a. Right? Now these three together is forming the sound ch. This three is forming the sound ch. Still doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
difference between numb and catch?
Yes, ma'am.
Because in thumb, we are not saying thumb.
Thumb.
It is thumb.
Thumb.
Because whenever B comes at the end, it gets silent.
Oh.
Followed by M. Thumb, plum, num. Right? And in catch, TCH together is forming the sound ch. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Vidya ma'am, is it clear?
Ma'am.
Now you have still doubt.
No, ma'am. While plumber, we say plumber, no, ma'am. We
No,
don't say plumber.
no,
We should
no.
start saying plumber.
It is not actually plumber. Like
Okay.
we say geyser. It's not geyser. It's basically geyser.
Geyser, yes.
Yes. It is not brinjal. It is brinjal.
Jol.
It is not tortoise. It is tortoise.
Yes, tortoise. Okay.
It is not envelope. It's envelope.
Envelope. Okay.
These are the correct way of pronouncing.
Pronouncing. Okay. Okay. Thanks, ma'am.
It is not schedule. Schedule is an American English. It is schedule.
Schedule. Yes.
But ma'am, nowadays everyone is saying like that only, schedule.
Yeah, that is what I said. Ki British modern English has become a mix of multiple different kind of words. It's a schedule. People, they try to imitate the American English. Others say, it's a schedule, I have a schedule. It's not schedule. If you go to British London or any British place, you will see they will never say schedule. They said schedule. If you see BBC, the correct diction you can hear if you hear BBC News. If you hear if you see British English movies, you will see the English, you can understand each and every word. But whereas in Hollywood movies, the American English is it goes sometimes.
Nowadays, actually, for education, before we were saying education. Now
Education, it's
yes,
education.
yes.
Yeah, they say education, but education is again, it's a Latin word.
Okay.
So correct pronunciation is education. It is not education.
Yeah, that's right.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
In this context, same, no, I have heard people saying cough. So why do they?
No, cough it's cough.
Huh,
Cough.
yeah.
I'm coughing. That is a wrong diction. See what happens, in every state, in every place, they have RLI. It is called regional language influence. Like you were
Accent,
saying,
okay. Huh.
you were saying H. It is not H. It is
Mhm.
H. It is H. That is your regional language influence. In Bengali, if you see, the Bengalis, they say gol gol.
Yes.
Everything is a Rashogolla. Okay, if you hear a typical Bengali from Kolkata speaking English, you can immediately catch.
Okay. So basically,
If
that would be
a
wrong, right?
peop-
Cough is wrong, isn't it?
Cough is wrong. It's
Mhm.
cough.
Okay.
Because in Hindi,
Cough.
we are saying cough. And English, we are thinking like cough, like that only.
Haha.
And
So-
ma'am, one more different thing I have heard, it is they pronounce that instead of suggestion, they say suggestion.
Again, that is also a wrong English. It is
Okay.
suggestion.
Uh-huh.
It is as simple as that. It is suggestion. It is not
Mhm.
suggestion.
Mhm.
It's a, what happens, American English, they pronounce according to the spelling they write. If you see in laptop, mostly computers, they will never take COLOUR.
Yeah. Color.
They
Yes.
will take
basically.
COLOR because they say color. They say
Mhm.
color.
Yeah.
That's the how they pronounce.
Ah.
It's not color for them. It's
Yeah, it was
color.
altogether different when they said suggestion.
Yeah. So that's
Yeah.
why I say that if you want to get the proper pronunciation or diction of British English, you must see here, especially BBC News.
Mhm.
BBC News, you can hear a proper, authentic British English.
Mm.
Yeah, Padmaji, you were asking something? You had some question, I think.
Unmute.
She's trying. Still, Padmaji, you are muted. I can't unmute you. Yes, now you
Yeah.
can see.
Yeah, as Yogita ma'am was telling about the word color, we write UR and they write OR. That's what I just
Because
wanted to
because
say.
Americans, they say color. If you
Color.
hear their
Okay.
diction, they say color.
Color.
It's
Okay.
not color. Actually,
It's
British
color.
English is
Color.
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 Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have one more doubt, ma'am. Is it environment or environment?
It's environment.
Can you
It's
please repeat, ma'am?
like envelope. It's environment.
Envelope.
It's not envelope. It's envelope.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
It's envelope, environment. It's not environment.
Yes.
But we say environment, everyone says
So
environment.
envelope, everyone says envelope.
वही
Yes,
तो ये तो first
That's
time I am
wrong.
hearing not
It's
environment.
envelope.
This
It's
is something
envelope.
very common word people
Yeah,
use
actually,
today.
these are very
This is
common words.
this is called the RLI. This is a regional language influence. So if you go to Germany, they will pronounce envelope according to their diction. If you go to Japan, they will pronounce envelope in their diction. So it is RLI. That's called the regional language influence.
Either also, ma'am. Either.
It's either.
Either.
Yes,
Yeah,
either.
yeah.
It's either, it's
Either,
neither.
neither. Yeah.
Neither.
So the American, they say either, neither.
Either, yes.
Neither. Acha. Okay.
But that's what I said, that here, if you want to really learn the proper dictions, please listen to BBC News. You will see that how much wrong English we speak. Or if you want to learn it from one of the Indians, that is Shashi Tharoor.
Shashi Tharoor.
You will see the way she says it's not truth, it is truth.
It's true.
Truth.
Truth.
Truth. वो तो स्पीटिंग ही आ जाएगा उनका truth बोलने. So Shashi Tharoor, if you say faith, it's not
Shashi
faith.
Tharoor.
Yes, if you want to learn, listen to him also. You will see that authenticity of English words, the way he speaks. It's absolutely perfect, like the British. There are multiple words that we actually, it has all, we have mixed it up. There are many words, I'm not recollecting right now. There are many words that we say, but they are actually, they don't exist. Actually, they don't exist. But that has been coming, since ages. Yeah. So we will do few couple of things. We have learned blending. We have learned diagraphs. So now, how will you teach a child to decode unknown words? That is called segmenting. That means if I give you a word and ask them to read it, how they are going to read it? They have to break it. Segment is breaking it, right? Suppose you give the word pan, who has just finished with the sound, the groups. So now you give them a word pan. So they won't be able to understand that. So what you do, you break it. Pa, ah, Then bring it pa, ah, Then pa, ah, n. Pa, ah, pan. So segmenting is breaking it, then bringing it close, closer, closest. And accordingly, you are asking them to say. So once you make them a habit of breaking an unknown word, you will see that they can spell by the age 3.5, 4, maximum 4. They can easily decode a big word. So when you are decoding or you're segmenting, you have to do it like this.
Oh.
Because we have learned the buttons, but for segment, you have to use the hyphen.
Right.
If I ask you to segment a word straight, how will you do it?
Yes, T. V.
St-
Yeah.
r- a-
Right? So how will you do this?
S hyphen S hyphen
T. T.
T hyphen
Then
R
R.
hyphen
AIGH, then
oh,
dash
sorry.
Ma'am, R you have to add
R.
then AIGH T. Yes.
One more thing I forgot. Why it is in between these two parentheses? Because we are asking them to pronounce the sound, not the name. But within this. S, t, a, t. So now they can know how many sounds are there and how to break it. So first you have to teach them the sound button, digraphs, trigraphs, quadrographs, whatever. Then you ask them to decode unknown words. You see, they will do it fantastically. How will you do this?
That
O-U-G
slash UGH.
Af.
Uh,
Af. So af is O-U-G-H.
O-U-G-H.
Right? So it will be, you can write it like this.
G-H.
Rough. Because O-U-G-H is af.
Quadrigraph.
It's a quadrigraph. Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt? You can ask. Vidya ma'am, any doubt? Vidya ma'am, are you there?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
In either, can you just tell me the sound buttons and the segmenting in the word either, since you all came across that word? Either, neither, and such kind of word.
Either, neither, they are all tricky words. Okay. They are all the sight words. Either, neither, so, but, go. There are 72 such, that, these, there. Okay. So there are 72 such tricky words. So they don't fall under the framework of the rules that we have set. So tricky words are, especially you can see it around the classroom. Or you have a particular word wall where you can write the tricky words. I will give you the list of 72 tricky words. So either, neither, these, those, that, so, but, or, nor. There are 72 such tricky words. Tricky words are, I'll just share, I was just about to do that only. So tricky words are frequently used words that the children are unable to read and write simply by blending or listening for sounds. This is either because the words use phonic knowledge that the children do not know yet, or that they don't fall under this, because what I told you in the initial, phonic is a nano minute part of the total subject called linguistic. Because in every language, you have a part which is called linguistic, where you are taught the origin of each word, each sound, from where it has come, then the sound segmentation. Okay, even I think in Hindi also, Varnmala may you have learned, or in your Tamil, Telugu, or Kannada, or Malayali, you must have read the various origin of the sound. Varnmala, jisko the one we said.
Varnamala.
So, Varnamala. I will learn South Indian also, I think, with the time. Karnataka. No, Kannada.
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 Kannada, ma'am.
Kannada. I learn. नो प्रॉब्लम. फिर उसके बाद ट्विंकल जी मेरे को वो भी क्लास करा लेगी. बोले मैम आपको कन्नाडा आता है, आप कन्नाडा का क्लास करा लीजिए.
अच्छा है ना, नए नए ऑप्शंस हो हमारे पास. व्हाट्स द हार्म इन दैट?
It's going to open another new
और
door. We can share our knowledge. So that's good. Every language has its, even Punjabi, every language, they have their special, that detail about their Varnmala. So similarly, linguistic, it's a huge, people do PhD, they do research on linguist. So phonic is a minutest part of it. So there are many rules and regulation which a child of their age will not be able to understand. So when these rules do not follow, they do not follow these rules, we segment that into tricky words. So there are 72 search tree keywords. I'll give you the list tomorrow. Okay. No, it will take time. Do we have time? No, within 15 minutes, I won't be able to finish. I don't want to finish it like that
Ma'am,
tomorrow.
one more thing I want to know. As we
Yes.
know the spellings of know and knowledge, if we don't know spelling of know and knowledge, so how we'll get to know that K is silent?
Yeah, there are rules for that.
Yeah.
There are rules for that. The silent K, then rule for W. Okay, there are when the W is pronounced as wo, where, like that. Okay,
Okay.
so there are that doesn't follow under Jolly Phonics.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, but there are. If you want, I can do it tomorrow.
Okay, little bit, ma'am.
Yeah,
As
I'll
we
do
know
that.
spelling, so we can write. But if we are
No, ठीक है,
telling,
ठीक है. I'll do
okay,
that. I'll do that. I'll
okay,
do
thank
that.
you, ma'am.
It's again an extension part of linguist. I'll do it with you.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can explain the little big children who are in class 1 and 2.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I
Yeah,
want to
I'll
know.
do that. I'll do with your silent word, silent letter, and your the pronunciation of W, how you are going to use it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Any other questions? Let's discuss, because there are a lot of things that is coming up with today's paper. I think today's paper helped you a lot. It gave you
Yes, ma'am.
a full insight of how the blending, then digraphs, trigraphs, and quadrigraphs, and how to put the sound buttons, right?
Yes.
So what else you want to tell me? Ask me. Yes, Shahnaz ma'am, tell me. Every day, the first thing I see Shahnaz ma'am's smiling face, and I loved it. I love it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Anything, ma'am, you want to know, or because I know
Till
your
now,
base is clear and that,
yeah,
but
till
still,
now
if
I'm
you
clear
any
with the
doubt,
concepts, ma'am. Nothing. No,
anything
no,
you want
no,
to know,
no, ma'am. No.
okay,
As we
Shweta,
practically start doing
huh,
this with the children, if
yeah,
at that time, most probably
that
we
time
might
also you
get
can,
doubt.
huh. So
Yeah,
what I'll suggest today, how will you go with Jolly Phonics, right? See,
yeah,
what I have done, we make it into groups.
yeah,
So there is again a problem in doing it in group wise. Why there is a problem? Because mostly the children, when they come to us, they have already a pre-knowledge of A, B, C, D, A to Z.
yeah,
Right. So
yeah,
when we are forming a curriculum or
mm,
when we are delivering it,
yeah.
if you concentrate on A to Z first, only the
Okay,
sound,
okay.
then you go for the diagraphs, because in every group you get a diagraphs.
Yes, ma'am.
So you separate them.
Okay,
Okay. There are 7 groups. So
yeah,
there are multiple diagrams are there. So
yes.
you take them out. Like
Okay,
wo strainer hota hai na, the
yeah,
strainer, when you pour
huh.
tea, you separate the tea and the tea leaf. So similarly, you separate them. So
Okay,
with absolutely the little one, you finish with the simple sounds, the single sound.
okay,
Then, once they are thorough with the single sound, hearing and recognizing,
huh.
and matching it with the objects,
Okay,
right? So, don't always use the objects, like when you're showing don't always show and. You can always show something like cat. Now,
huh.
you find
Middles.
out the sound,
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
recognize the.
yeah,
So,
huh.
if you don't mix it, like only the first sound will not help them.
Hmm.
For consonants, as
Okay,
we said,
huh.
ending sounds.
Okay.
Word with the
It's
ending with the consonants. Right? If you can do that way, first you finish that, you will see that the children will start because that's what I have seen most of the schools and the Indian children basically,
yeah, yeah.
because parents are over conscious, they're concerned. So what they do, they try to finish it off and then they send to the school.
Ma'am, actually, sorry to interrupt you. I have this concern. Actually, I and Shweta ma'am handle grade 1 to 5, like English teachers. Okay. Not all, almost all, but many of the children feel very difficult in the reading concept. Like they are not conscious with reading. That is where we are lacking behind.
See, this is what I was about to tell you. NEP 2020, when they introduced literacy and numeracy, because now you know that there are only two subjects,
Yeah.
literacy and numeracy, what
Yeah.
the NEP is focusing on.
Yes.
So, in literacy, why they have introduced sounds and phonics? Because what is happening, they are only used to of rote learning.
Yeah.
Now they cannot decode unknown words, and by the age they're reaching class 3,
Hmm.
they are absolutely blank with the reading. 95%, it is, I'm not saying it. If you go to the Google, you will see that NEP has said that 95% of the kids of class 3 cannot read properly. And this is where the base is lacking. Because they are all used to of doing the rote learning. C-A-T cat, B-A-T bat. And when you give them an unknown word, they don't know what to do.
Yeah. Yeah.
They will say, apple,
Hmm.
was. So that is how they do the reading. So if you make their base strong, so give
Yes.
them lot of unknown words to decode with these rules.
Okay.
So if class 1, senior KG and class 1, if you start practicing them lot of segmenting and blending,
Okay.
see, you will see that they will be, by the time they are in class 1 and 2,
Hmm.
they will start reading by themselves, because now they know the rule of decoding new words.
Yeah.
So decoding new words is a very important thing. So you have to first, you just do the A to Z, the sound, then you do the digraphs. So once they are thorough with the digraph sounds and the single sound, what you can do now, you give them, show them pictures and ask them, what is this? What are the sounds you can hear?
Okay.
Do a lot of sound buttons. See, today when you were doing sound buttons, how many of you got cleared with the words?
I got it cleared.
You got it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
More clarification, Malika ma'am.
Yeah.
Today more clarification came,
Yeah.
right? So when you start doing them with the buttons, circle the
Actually, we knew the words, ma'am, but the techniques and the sounds where we need to break was the class today where we got it cleared.
Yes. Even in Jolly Grammar that we have started, in Jolly Grammar, we teach them the breaking of the syllable, which makes them more interesting. And the grammar part also get clear. Because once they know where the syllable is, so how the monosyllabic word, diasyllabic word. So when to use a monosyllabic word, what is a diasyllabic word, what is it is associated with, how we break a syllable. So once a child is clear with that, what happens, the whole system gets clear. Now they don't want to, you don't have to give them a rote learning process. So that is the reason why Jollyphonic is now becoming so popular, and it is so effective.
Yeah, ma'am.
I tell you, it is very effective, because I've tried that in my school for last 3 years. I'm doing it, and I'm seeing the children of early, and when we have started Jollyphonics in this way, much better. The condition is
For
when they're
everything,
going to
there's a
high schools.
classification and rule, ma'am. Rule. Actually, when
There are
we had
stories.
studied, yeah.
If you see, every logic has a story behind it. So once you tell a child through a story, it gets into their mind.
It gets recorded.
It just goes into the mind, and they don't need to rote those things. It just clicks. Once you start telling us, oh yes, Inky the mouse, E.
And.
Right.
And.
So when two vowels go walking, you can make them an enactment.
Yeah.
You and you come, both of you talk, nobody is listening. Now she said, I'll talk, you keep quiet. So if you do that enactment, that will go, because visualizing the whole thing. That is the reason why Jollyphonics and Jolly Grammar both are multisensorial. Right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
Vidya ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. I'm still a bit confused. So let me put my doubt like this, ma'am. Okay.
Absolutely.
So you said that catch, TCH is a trigraph. T is not a silent and CH is like that.
No, no, it's not silent, I said. I said TCH together is
Together.
making cha.
But I'm saying why like that? For example, the word clutch or brunch
Yes.
or lunch has got NCH. We are pronouncing the N sound and CH.
Because we are pronouncing N.
Why
Here
are
we are
doing like
not,
that?
because that's how the origin of the English has come. Then again, you have to go back to linguistic. Then I have to take you to that linguistic where you have to understand each and every word, which a child doesn't want to. It's not they should know about like that. So branch, ch. But in catch, TCH. That is trigraph. Because this three is together making one sound. NCH together is not making one sound. Because you can hear N. Now, if you ask why so, then we have to go to the root. To that linguistic rules. So that we don't need to understand at this level. Right? But that's a good curiosity, good question. In branch, if you say munch, right? It is ending with CH. And you can hear N. But in catch or match, you cannot hear T. Because it is getting blended with CH.
Then the word badge, BADGE.
DGE. DGE is making the J sound.
Okay. So that's a trigraph.
Again, trigraph.
Yes.
Badge, bridge.
Correct.
So DGE is together making the J sound.
Are we clear with the doubts? Vidya
Yes,
ji,
ma'am.
tomorrow we will be again meeting and write
Tomorrow
all
we
the
might
doubts.
get, tomorrow it might happen that maybe 12:30 it can be 1. We can have another half an hour extra.
Yeah, tomorrow will be the last class. That's why, because
I'll give you half an hour extra.
for everybody on
because
on
I
Monday.
don't
You
want
all
to,
are rejoining the school now. That's why.
And I don't want to keep any stone unturned. So
Yeah, we will
whatever is there, I will compile it. I will do your K, silent K. I will do your W using how W. I will clear why DG is J. Okay, then we will do soft sound and the hard sound. There are 2 consonants which has got 2 sounds, double sounds, and why so. So I will be doing it, then toughy I, shy Y. So there will be a lot of things tomorrow we'll get, so half an hour extra.
Be prepared for that, okay?
Please be prepared for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you have any doubts, we are there. Yeah. Come again. Yeah.
Ma'am, same timings, ma'am? 11?
Yeah, 11.
Absolutely. Same. So you can have a heavy breakfast, so no hungry till 1 o'clock. Finish your work. Yeah.
Any doubts, please write in your
You can
sheet
please,
or send in the group if you want. Okay.
If there is any doubt, please do that.
And thank you everyone for joining us. Meeting tomorrow
you,
again at the same timing.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.